Hello everyone, a quick video today to show you what I received in the mailbox. A couple of months ago, Trent came on a photography workshop with us, EYExplore, here in Kyoto, and we had the privilege to have the geisha Taka posing for us. And Trent went through the trouble of printing these images so that I can give them to Taka, which I will do, of course. But before I give them to Taka, I would like to show you what the images look like. Trent sent us as well a message to us, the team, and myself, and also to Taka, but I will give this to her later. So he printed these images thanks to a service called Shutterfly, which I never heard of. Probably it's very famous, but I'm not really aware of it because I rarely print my images, but I should when I see the result, how these images turned out. I'm very impressed. We can see that the quality of the printing is more than decent. We went through many different poses, some of them more natural, some of them more posed. Trent also took some detail images. It was a very good day. Now you can see here, this is something that we do outdoors because we can even see the momiji, the maple, small, tiny Japanese maple leaf trees behind. The sun was of course behind, and I had the reflector on the other side, so we can get a very good result here. We shot these images in a traditional Japanese tea house, and we had plenty of opportunities to shoot indoors and outdoors. We can see Taka before she has the makeup on and after she has the makeup on. As you can see, there's plenty of interesting details in this tea house. This is inside of the tea house in one of the darker rooms. Some black and white. It's really nice. Yeah, you can see here Trent and his wife. They brought a camera Instax, so he could very quickly print images and give it to Taka. Some reflection with Taka's mirror, some of the details in Taka's hair. Yeah, I'm guessing this is the way you should be looking at it. She's posing for us, all different kind of poses. Overall, I must say the quality of the images, Fujifilm, this paper is really good. I'm not quite sure what sort of post-processing software Trent was using, but it turned out to be really good. We have had several customers so far on the Behind the Mask and Geisha Studio, and most of them are always very willing to send images and give them to a geisha later on. Most of these girls are Maiko, so they are still very young. They are apprentice, so they're still learning the trade. They're usually under the age of 18, from 16 to 18. That's when they tend to be in the training period, and they will eventually. So these are the images without the makeup, but they will eventually become what we call geiko in Kyoto, which is a fully fledged geisha. Once she has completed her years of apprenticeship, she will become a geiko, so the hair pieces, the way she dresses and the kimono that she's wearing is going to be completely different once she completes the apprenticeship. So I guess for her it's also very good to get those images because it's a good memory. That's all I wanted to show you. So if you ever want to join one of those workshops with us, with EYExplore, don't hesitate to go on our website. I will link the website of Trent and our website and the product of Behind the Mask and Maiko Studio in the description below. Thank you.